Hi there, welcome back to TELW The English Workshop. In this video of the series on do and does, we're going to talk about how to use do, does to talk about cheating. Like somebody said, that watch was for just 150 rupees and you paid 5,000 for that? He cheated you. Yes, what's another way of saying he cheated you? He did you. Oh, they did you. That watch was far cheaper. Don't try to do me. I'm much smarter than that. Do me, cheat me, commit a fraud on somebody, you do somebody. So they did you. They committed a fraud on you. So do. They do people. So be careful. Don't go to that market. They do the customers. They do people. Yeah. But you don't normally say that. They do people. They normally say, okay, that shirt is not worth 5,000 rupees. It's just a 300 rupee shirt. They did you. They did you. They cheated you. Like this video if you like this. Subscribe to our channel as well if you haven't done so far. So in the last video we talked about how to use do and does for visiting, traveling to places, etc. In the next video, we're going to talk about using this word for a very dreadful subject. Kill. See you then. Bye.